Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video today. Not going to be long, but I've got some vital information that I want to share with you. I'm going to talk a little bit about this amazing company, Oliabo, and our flagship, or what we call our foundational product, which is Prima, and why people really should be using Prima. Okay, so stay with me for the next couple of minutes, and we'll share this with you. Okay, I'll be right with you. Okay, so if you look here for me, it says, over the past few decades, scientists have uncovered powerful Mediterranean blue zone phytochemicals that may play a key role in the benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Okay, so stay with me and we're going to check this out now. Okay, now, in order to stay in compliance with, regulations and all of that, I want to read this. Okay, these statements that I'm going to share with you have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Okay, so just want to make that clear. And anything I say based on, some of the results I've had by nutritional products, that's my story. I will say this, that this is something that you should really take a look at in terms of the benefits of high quality olive oil. Just Google it, okay? Find out for yourself about high-phenolic olive oil and the benefits of it, and we'll leave it at that. Okay, let's get into the rest of the story, okay? All right, let me see. As soon as I can figure out what I'm doing here. I think I got it. Okay, so just let's look at this together. Oliabo is our company. Gosh, we're under 4 months old at the time of this video, but steadily growing. Got some powerful information to share with you, okay? And as you can see here, it says why most olive oil doesn't work. We're going to talk about that briefly, okay? And check this out for me too as well. Although we have some of the very best olive oil on the planet, we are not an olive oil company. We are health and wellness, okay? And I'm suggesting, this is my personal opinion, I'm suggesting that people get some Prima, okay? Get some Prima. Prima is our foundational product, and it's pretty powerful, okay? I'll say that. Now look at this. Most olive oil isn't actually helping your health, but it should be, okay? And the reason why it's not is that because most olive oil today has been over processed, diluted, and stripped of polyphenols, which is the compounds that are responsible for real wellness benefits, okay? And so without polyphenols, you lose the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and protective effects that olive oil was once known for. Now, Prima, okay, Prima, that's why I say get some Prima, by Oliabo is different. It's made from high-phenolic extra virgin olive oil, okay, intentionally crafted to preserve those compounds. Now, that means real support for inflammation balance, heart health, brain function, and cellular protection. And again, I say again, Google the benefits of high quality olive oil, okay? All right, let's go to the next slide real quick. Okay, so I just want to reiterate that Prima, okay, is a, or if I didn't say it, I'm going to say it here, is a nutritional supplement that is derived from high-phenolic olive oil, okay? And again, I encourage you, I implore you, is that a great, yeah, is that the word? Yeah, I implore you to check it out. Check out the benefits, okay, of high quality olive oil. Now, if you're going to use, okay, so let's go here. If you're going to use olive oil for health, it should actually do something. That's why trying Prima is a smart move, okay? Now look at this. I'm looking for some folk who are looking to build a home business, okay? One, I'm also looking for people who want to dramatically impact their health and their financial future. Or looking for people who are looking for some powerful wellness products to take and to share with other people. So you can become a rep or you can become a customer, okay? And it's all free. Free to sign up as a business builder, a rep, what we call reps, and it's free to sign up as a customer, okay? But there you have it for this video. I didn't think I was going to be too long. All right. So, hey, do this for me. If you haven't signed up to my YouTube channel, please do so. Give me a thumbs up. If you heard something that interests you, that piques your interest, whatever, give me a thumbs up. Don't cost you a thing to do that, okay? I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day. Bye-bye now.